Hello traders, Mark Chapman here, the creator of the trademark Trap Traders Concepts. Welcome to today's Trap Traders Trade of the Day analysis. Today's date is Tuesday, the 8th of August 2017, and boy is it a quiet day out there in the Forex news world. Completely dead, no news at all today, very little news yesterday and zero today. So if you're in any trades, you're probably just languishing in the trade. There's very little going on. So yeah, it's just one of those days, slim pickings, but I have picked out this particular trade of interest. You've got an area here where you've got a 200 period moving average that's been respected. It's always an idea that you want to consider whenever you're looking at moving averages. Price just being above a moving average, in my opinion, isn't great because it can crisscross the moving average like so. What you really want is it to have been respected at some point in history, at least once, and that's what we've got. Probably more to the left, but based on what I can see at the moment, that's what we've got. Price coming back into that level right now, and this was a previous level of demand. If you look at the strength of the move away from that area, not every area of support and resistance should you expect a reaction off from. What you want to do is you want to look for real strong moves away where price pivots strongly from that location. Those are better levels. So what's happened obviously since then is price has retraced back into this level, and it's right at the 200. This is on a 4-hour chart. So the way that I deal with that, or one way that you can deal with that, is you can drop down onto the lower time frames and see if you can see anything of interest. And obviously what you've got here is half interesting. You've got a level, hesitate to call it support because it's so minor, but if you did have anybody trying to catch that bottom, they've gone long and then they've been stopped out right there. They probably have the stops in there, and these stops and these swings have been respected thus far. So what that would lead me to deduct is that you probably have some buying going on in the face of that forced selling, because obviously if you've got somebody who goes long in here and they buy, then their stops equal sell contracts, and those sell orders are great if something wants to do some buying. So as it stands, there's a bit of accumulation going on. Which way it goes, there are clues. So far it looks to the upside, but you never quite know until it goes, and then then that will solidify your analysis at that point. But as I said, nothing at the moment. It's complete deadsville out there, but this is definitely an area of interest where if it's going to hold, you would expect to see the trend continue from this point. If you'd like to come and join me in my brand new inner circle, click on the link below and I'll see you on the inside.